Urega aratakwo hamaritwa makwa njitagwo SYMO na ndi mwini wa nyimbo cia kugoca Mwathani na muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya munene muno maica-ini makwa kana muturire-ini wakwa tondu ni muthenya wa uhiki wakwa muthenya uria nguga oh yes I do.
Mimi naitwa Nduta Martha Nduta, karibu niseme Nduta kama wenyewe out of habit. Anyway, I'm very happy, very excited. Today is my day. Today the attention is all on me because it's my wedding day. I'm happy for all my friends who've been there for me, supporting me, praying for me. Yani kunizungusha kila mahali where I needed kusaidiwa, and I'm thankful for my family. They've been there. May God bless you all so much.
Nikwenda kwira iritu ria ndirahikia kana nyarari iria ndirahikia kaundu ndimire ni ndimiendete muno na ndirindi kuoha bengu cia maica nake na niguikara nake wega na nikumumenyerera muno nitamtunza tondu ni kiheo kuma kwi Ngai na Ngai amurathime muno.
Hey, Tukabe, it has been a journey. 6+ years. You knew me when I was I can't say all naive, young, foolish. And so we've taken the steps. Right now it is tunelekea ati nakuja kwa nyumba yako ati nasitoki. I really love you. I love that each journey I'm walking it with you and I'm starting it with you. And I pray that tumekuwa tukisikizana. Yani it goes on even as we proceed to the house, and more so I love how you're prayerful, supportive, funny, caring, as in you're the best. And just know right now, yes, na cheka, but as in from deep down my heart, you have made me as in the most happiest woman in the world. And maneno zinaisha na vena konga na msuri. Ewe nyama siakwa, virufa lulua balucha kwa, wadua wendewe jata yakwa, wadua wendewe iho wale yakwa.